Hey YouTubers, today we have another Darth Vader video. Today we're going to be talking about why Darth Vader wore a cape. So first off, let's talk a little bit about what the cape actually was made of and its purpose. The cape was made of armor weave, and in Star Wars canon, armor weave was a material used on various pieces of clothing, especially capes, as armor. The cape also acted as a protective cloak designed to block fire, acid jets, and it really just helped protect the suit's electronics. Similarly, the cape also minimized the possibility of grit and grime and other contaminants from entering and possibly clogging up the filter that Darth Vader wore. And you can see the cape being worn by other figures. For example, Captain Phasma of the First Order wore a traditional armor weave cape, and that was more representative of her command and hierarchy in the First Order. Simply put, the cape comes down to a functional purpose and a symbol. Vader wore the cape because it was indicative of his command in the Empire. He was a lord and to be respected, and pretty much outranked everyone when he would enter a starship or in battle, except for a select few. He commanded ships, fleets, troops, and truly was the Emperor's hand. But in addition, it had a functional purpose, as it served as some protection to his suit from the elements and the everyday grind that he would have because he was on the front lines many times. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and we'll see you next time.